as some people do not know what CDC is. Can you tell us the full name and its main mission as a government organization? The CDC is the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Their main mission as a government organization is to protect and support American citizens from all threats of disease to their health, safety, and security, both in the United States and abroad. Question 2. As a medical expert from the CDC, what is your opinion on wearing a face mask in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic? Speaking as a medical expert with the CDC, my opinion on wearing a face mask during the COVID-19 pandemic that we are presently facing is that everyone should wear a mask, both when in public and in the presence of others. Question 3.
It has double membrane. It's called nuclear envelope with the clear purse. Like it has double. Like if we look at it here, like it says it has nuclear envelope and it has content and it has nucleus purse, and it has ribosomes. So pretty much. And the function of it is the brain of the cells that control all the activity of the cells and storage DNA, makes RNA, which makes protein. This all will happen inside the nucleus, and then the nucleus is the make the ribosome, and after it produce them out there, and the ribosome they go every in entirety the cells except some parts, except like the rough, the smooth underbrain it doesn't have, but the rough it has once. That's why the rough can transfer some ribosome to the golden body. But we're gonna talk about that later.
Next one is that vaccines cause autism. So there is no link between vaccines and autism. In 1998, Andrew Wakefield, who is now a discredited physician, was part of a study of the MMR vaccine and said that he had found a link between that vaccine and autism. And he and 12 of his colleagues, I think it was, got completely ratted out, and it was completely shown that there was no link. There's been multiple studies done showing that there is still no link between autism and vaccines. I mean, autism itself is a genetic disease. But vaccines would have to basically change a child's genetic makeup to cause them to have autism. I know that there's a lot of celebrities out there that are anti-vax, and they claim that vaccines have led to their children having autism. One of them, who is probably the most notable, is
in the video I've heard they talking about the herd immunity imperative. So the word herd is a group of organisms that live together for protections, and the herd immunity is also called or known as the community immunity. It's a protection from disease in a group due to a large proportion of the population having immunity to prevent disease from spreading from person to person. So if an individual in the herd gets sick, those around the individual may have immunity that prevent the disease from spreading. And if someone in the herd gets sick, it can cause others in the herd to get sick as well. According to the World Health Organization, one of the examples said that herd immunity against the measles outbreak in 2018. So this required about 95% of the population to be vaccinated, and the last 5% remaining will be protected due to the fact that measles will not spread among those who are vaccinated. And the same with polio. And it said the herd immunity threshold up to polio is about 80%, so the 20% remaining will be protected due to the fact that polio will not spread among those who are vaccinated.